What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to do a review on this Body Fortress quick dissolving protein packs. I'll be right back. So here I am, got a new product for you that I'm reviewing today, but before I get into it, I got a little disclaimer. So my review of this product is for your information only. So it's simply me just buying this product, doing a review on it, and giving you the information. My review of this product is not my recommendation for you to go use it. My advice to you is to eat as natural as you possibly can, but if you choose to take supplements, please consult with your doctor first, and also make sure you follow the directions on the label of the supplement that you're using, okay? So now back to this. I went into Walmart. I actually bought this at Walmart, and I went in there looking to see what was new on the shelf and to see if there was anything that would tempt me to buy it so that I could try it and also review it for you. So I did see this on the shelf, and not only did I buy it, but I did not review it. I did not take it, try it beforehand to give you a review. I'm actually going to do that for the first time right here on camera. So I actually just opened this right before I turned the camera on to film this video. So this thing is pretty cool. I do like this bag. This is pretty awesome. And the way that it worked is it had this little piece here. It had a piece like this. There's one on the back here too. There's a piece like this that you have to pluck out, and you just pull that. So I don't know why they put one here on the back, but you pull that piece right here on the front, and basically you open up, and that's what they look like. So those are little individually wrapped quick dissolving protein packs. So they look like this. See that? And supposedly this whole thing dissolves. Again, I haven't tried it yet. I want to do that here on camera for the first time, and that way you get my natural reaction to it. So what attracted me to this product? So what attracted me to it is I saw quick dissolving protein packs. It's Body Fortress, and I know a lot of you guys out there, my viewers, you tend to really like to look at the Walmart stuff, and I totally get it. Again, I go into Walmart and I buy certain supplements. Actually everything that I've reviewed I had to buy. So I get it. Sometimes those Walmart products are really good quality for low money, or you get a good bang for your buck. So I definitely get it. So I decided I really was going in there looking for one of the products that is really sold by Walmart, but if there was something else that exclusively by Walmart, there's something else that caught my eye, I would have bought that too. But this caught my eye, and so what I really liked about it is it seems pretty convenient, like if you're going to take it with you. And I will say, yeah, it is really convenient. And so basically I decided to try it, and I took a look at it. And I will tell you, before I tell you my 3 best qualities and the 3 downsides to it, before I get there, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you. So I know I told you this is my first time. So what I did is I opened it up right before I turned the camera on, and I got my water. So the directions say add 1 pack to 6 to 8 ounces or 2 packs to 14 to 16 ounces of your favorite beverage. So what I'm going to do, this is about 7 ounces because it says 6 to 8 ounces. So I just went in the middle. So this is 7 ounces there. This is what the pack looks like right there. So I'm going to drop it in there because I want you to see how it dissolves and how quickly it dissolves. So let's see. Oh, and it's working already. Look at that. It's already dissolving as soon as it's hitting water. So it says that it dissolves pretty quick. Look at that. Boom. And it looks like it's pretty smooth too. I don't see any clumps in it. Let's see there. See if I can show this to you without spilling it. This is the chocolate version right here. Don't want to get any of this on my floor either. Oh, too crazy. Shake it up. So I mean, it blended pretty quickly. So that's a good thing. So I'm gonna give it a taste. So it's got an okay taste. I mean, it's not bad. It's not a bad taste. And I'll give you I'll give you my rating on that. You know, so the taste isn't that bad. I could definitely drink this, especially, I think I paid about $17 for the product in the store, so it's not that bad. I mean, it's not the best taste, but it's not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rating this. So the three best qualities about this is I like the convenience of this bag, and I like it is quick dissolving, so I like that. And I also like that the price of it. The price of it was something like, I think I paid about $17, and you probably saw the price in the video that I shot some video right before I pulled it off the shelf for you. Actually, as I was pulling it off the shelf, so that you can see what it looks like in the stores. So those are the three best qualities. The three downsides of it is this. So you guys, if you've been watching my videos, my reviews, you know me very well, and you know one of my biggest pet peeves about these is when you advertise something on the front and that's not what the serving is. So they advertise 40 grams of protein and 9 BCAAs, right? Branched chain amino acids. When you look though, when you look on the back, actually you only get that in 2 packs. So this one that I just made, this is only 20 grams of protein. So this is 20 grams of protein, 3 carbs. And so that's one of my pet peeves. So that's a downgrade. You get a downgrade for that, because when I saw it on the shelf, this is what I look for. Now I will tell you this, there's really tiny, see that really tiny there? That says per 2 packs right there. So that's pretty cheap, man. Be honest with us. Don't have to do this to us. And also on the side here, they do have it listed there. But who looks at that, right? So now I did notice that because it's one of my pet peeves. So I bought it knowing that that was the case. But see, then they even have 40 up here, right? So that's just cheap, man. Don't do this to us. This is a pet peeve. So that's one of the negatives. The other negative that I have is, for me, and this is a personal thing, this may not be for you guys, and that's fine. There's a lot of alcohols, different alcohols in here, and I just don't like all those sugar alcohols in there. So what it has in here is it has polyvinyl alcohol. I'm assuming that's probably part of the wrap that goes, I don't know, polyvinyl. That sounds kind of weird. It has glycol or glycol, I think it's glycol. It also has sorbitol and xylitol. So xylitol is in gum, I know that for sure. So that's a lot of tols, right? And so that means that there's a lot of alcohols in this. And some people, your stomachs will be very sensitive to these alcohols. But these alcohols make it possible for them not to have to put too many sugars up there, right? So it's kind of a tricky thing for me. Give me the real sugars. I mean, just give them to me. I work out hard and I could use the extra carbs, but I understand there's a lot of people that are on the low carb thing, and then some people that have to have the low carbs. But these sugar alcohols, I don't like them, especially in large amounts. But I don't see them listed anywhere on here how many you get. So you don't know. It could send you to the bathroom really quick. All right, and you don't want to be in a hard workout going to the bathroom, you know, because your stomach's tore because of these alcohols. So that's a downgrade for me on it. And so where I'm at. So the first one was the servings. The second was the alcohols, and I can kind of taste some of the alcohols in the actual taste of it. And I want to say that's probably the only 2 that I can think of right now. I thought I had a third one before I turned the camera on. So when you look at it, oh, here's my third one. My third one is, and this is for me personally for me, I like to have my protein for each meal for me at least 25 grams. So that means that I either have to go less, which I won't, 40 grams. I'm doing it here because I'm showing you guys it. Or I have to go either 20 grams or 40 grams, but I can't split one of these packs up. So what's going to happen is I'm going to either get not as much protein as what I like to have. So I'm either going to have to eat something else with it that does have protein, and I could easily do that, right? I could eat some pistachios or walnuts or pecans or something like that with it. That bumps me up about 5 grams of protein so I can get my 25 or 30, that's fine. Or I go 40, and really that might be too much protein, so I'm kind of just wasting some of this product. So for me, that's a downgrade, is you're at 20 and then 40. I just don't like it, especially when I have other options. So for me, that's a downgrade. So I gave you my top 3 qualities, and those are my top three downs, right? So how would I rate this on a scale from 1 to 10? I give this one I give it a 6, right? So because it tastes okay and the price is good, but it tastes okay. I don't like this that they defraud me here. So that's a fraud there, I think. And it's got a lot of alcohols in it. So, I mean, that's just not for me. So I give it a 6. So that's better than average, right? On a scale from 1 to 10. But that is what I give it. And if you guys, hopefully this was helpful for you, but if you could please subscribe to This Is B-Rob, please like, share, and comment. And if you try this and you get a different experience, hey, let me know about it. And if you try this and you agree with mine, let me know about that too. And I'm okay. We don't have to think the same, but this is for your information and for you to use for that reason. That's why I do these videos, all right? Also, let me know if there's something out there that you want me to try. I won't try everything, and I may already have it. Possibly, I have a couple more protein powders that you're gonna see here in the next few weeks and months. But hopefully this helped you. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.